Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Sai World Learn Math Fun. Today we are going to see about the values of trigonometric ratios. Let's move to the video. Today we are going to see about the angles of trigonometric ratios. We are going to find the value for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So first for 60 degree and 30 degree, draw an equilateral triangle ABC. So what do you mean by equilateral triangle? All sides and all angles are equal. So all angles will be 60 degree and let all sides be x. Now draw a bisector from A which bisects the angle as well as the side BC. So this be D. So if it bisects BC, x means BD is x by 2 and DC is also x by 2. So now we need to find the value of AD. So AD here angle D is 90 degree. So this is the hypotenuse. So how will you find AD? AD is equal to root of square of hypotenuse minus square of the other side. So this will give you root of x square minus x square by 4, that is equal to root of 4x square minus x square by 4, that is equal to root of 3x square by 4. So x square, root of x square is x, root of 4 is 2 and this is root 3. So the value is root 3x by 2. So AD is root 3 by 2x. So what is sine 30? 30 means this angle. So in this triangle, this is x by 2, here is x and this is root 3 by 2x and this is 30 degree and this is 60 degree. What is sine 30? Opposite by hypotenuse. So x by 2 divided by x, that is equal to x by 2 into 1 by x, that is equal to 1 by 2. And what is cos 30? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So root 3 by 2x divided by x, x will get cancelled. So root 3 by 2. What is tan 30? Opposite by hypotenuse. So x by 2 by root 3 by 2, that is equal to x by 2 into 2 by root 3. So x here will be, so x and x will get cancelled. So 1 by root 3. What is cosecant 30? Hypotenuse by opposite. So x by 2, that is x into 2 by x, so 2. What is secant 30? Hypotenuse by adjacent. So root 3 by 2x. So x into 2 by root 3 into x, cancel 2 by root 3. Cot 30, adjacent by opposite. So root 3 by 2x into 2 by x. So root 3. Another one easy method is, if you find sine and cos, that's enough. What is tan? Sine by cos. What is cosecant? 1 by sine. What is secant? 1 by cos. What is cot? 1 by tan. So if you find the reciprocal of sine, cos, tan, you will get cosecant, secant and cot. Next is sine 60. So sine 60 is opposite by hypotenuse. So root 3 by 2x divided by x, that is root 3 by 2. X will get cancelled. Cos 60, adjacent by hypotenuse. So x by 2 divided by x. So x by 2 into 1 by x, that is 1 by 2. What is cos 60? Sine by cos. So root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. Denominator and denominator will get cancelled. So root 3. What is cosecant 60? 1 by sine 60. So 2 by root 3. That is reciprocal. What is secant 60? Reciprocal of cos 60. That is 2. What is cot 60? Reciprocal of tan 60. That is 1 by root 3. So this will be more easy than finding like this. If you find for sine and cos value, that's enough. Sine by cos is tan. Reciprocal of sine is cosecant. Reciprocal of cos is secant. And reciprocal of tan is to find the value for 45 degree. So let this be ABC. This angle is 90 degree and this is 45. By angle sum property, we know that the sum of all angles of triangle make 180. So this 90 plus 135. So the remaining angle is 180 minus 135, that is 45. So this also 45. So if two angles are equal, then the sides opposite to those two angles are also equal. So if this is x, this is also x, and this is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is equal to root of the square, sum of the squares of other two sides. So root of 2x square, that is x root 2. This is x root 2. So sine 45 is opposite by hypotenuse. So x by x root 2, that is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 adjacent by hypotenuse, x by x root 2, that is also 1 by root 2. Tan 45 is opposite by adjacent, that is 1. Cosecant 45 opposite, that is reciprocal of sine 45, that is root 2. Secant 45 reciprocal of cos, that is also root 2. Cot reciprocal of tan, that is 1. So sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. Tan 45 sine by cos, that is 1. Cosecant 45 reciprocal of sine root 2. Secant 45 reciprocal of cos root 2. Cot 45 reciprocal of tan, that is 1. And next is for 0 degree as well as 90 degree. Let this be A, B and C, and let this mean by 0 degree. That means this AB and BC will be on the same line. That only makes 0 degree. So for 0 degree, AB is equal to AC. Okay, and AB is equal to BC and AC is 0. So what is sine 0? Opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is AC by hypotenuse AB. So AC is 0. So 0 by AB is equal to 0. And what is cot 0? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So BC by AB. So ABC by AB. So BC and AB are equal. Therefore 1. What is tan 0? Sine by cos. So 0 by 1 is 0. What is cosecant 0? Reciprocal of sine. That is 1 by 0. Anything divided by 0 is undefined. And what is secant 0? Reciprocal of cos. So 1 by 1, 1. What is cot 0? Reciprocal of tan. That is 1 by 0. That is also undefined. This is for 0 degree. And what do you mean by 90 degree? So here the angle between AB and BC becomes 90. That means if the theta increases, then the line segment BC becomes smaller and smaller, and when theta comes to 90 degree, the point B and C coincides. So BC is equal to 0 and AB is equal to AC. Okay, here when this theta increases to 90 degree, this BC is 0 because B coincides on C. It falls on C, therefore AB is equal to AC. What is sine 90? So this is 90 degree, therefore sine 90 is AC by AB. So what is AC? AC and AB are equal, therefore the value is 1. Cos 90 BC by AB. So what is BC? 0 by AB. So anything 0 divided by anything is 0. What is tan 90? Sine by cos, that is 1 by 0, which is undefined. Cosecant 90 reciprocal of sine, so 1 by 1, that is 1. Secant 90 reciprocal of cos, 1 by 0, that is undefined. Cot 0 by 1, that is 0. because here tan is 1 by 0, so cot is 0 by 1, that is 0. So I think this will be clear. So if you have any doubt, just post your comment. Just a recap of today's topic. So if you are thorough with the sine and cos value, that's enough. By sine by cos will get you tan value, and reciprocal of sine cos tan will give you cosecant, secant and cot. So I think this video will be useful for you. So please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you, viewers.